3 by 3.
3 by 3 matrix. Okay, fine. Now, how the memory is allocated? That's what I want to discuss. 3 by 3. For instance, 3 by 3 means let us insert one table. You can understand. For our readability, we write like this. For our readability, I am telling. So, what are the elements present? 1 is there, followed with 8, 9,
9,
and then 0, and then
0,
6,
6, 2.
and then 2, and then 9, and then 5, and then 2. These are the elements present in the table, I mean matrix. So how to recognize them? Let us see. I have given in your notes also same thing. I have provided a similar one, like wait, size this, otherwise size this also. Now you can see. Can I write like this? Row 0. This is the row 0 na, first one. R0.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Next one is going to be
1, row 1 dot.
this one. Still bigger. One thing. So this is R2. This is R2 actually. What I will do. This is size. Yeah, this is better option. Now you can see. This is R1. I can call it as R1. Is it not? I can call it as R1 here. This one. And then the other one is. Wait. It is moving like that. R1. This is R1. And the last one is, this one.
R2.
1, 2.
R2.
Like that, you can also make a mention here also, na? Here in the sense, here. Wait. This is C0, C0, I mean, and then this is C1, and then this is C2. This is C2. This is C2. Okay. Now, what is the position of the element 1? The element 1 is present in 0 by 0 position. Is it not? 0 by 0 position. So 1 is present in 0 by 0 position, and 8 is present in 1 by 1. Oh, sorry, 0 by 1.
0 by 1.
Exactly, 0 by 1. And then the next one is present in 0 by 2. 0
0
by
by 2.
0 by 2. Yes, exactly. For our reference, we believe like that, but computer will not store like this. I will tell you another one. 1 by 0, we believe like this. For our readability, for our problem solving purpose, we do like this. Here it is 1 by 1, you know that. 1 by 1, okay, fine. 1 by 1, 1 by 1. And then the next one is 1 by second position, 1 by 2 position. And then this is 2 by 0 starting from, you know that. You should have command on these things. Then only you can solve some applications, some tricky applications also. 2 by 1, the next one. And then 2 by 2, last but not least. 2 by 2, yes. So these are the positions, but computer will not store like that. It will store sequentially only. So how many elements are there in 3 by 3 matrix? For example, 9 elements will be there. 3 multiplied with 3. So how many 9 elements are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me take 9. Wait, cursor. Cursor is somewhere else. Just a minute. I did not place cursor. Elements should be there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, I was talking about this now. So first element, and then 8 is the next one, and then 9, and then sequentially it is stored. Is it not? Yesterday we are discussing about this only, whether it may be one dimension or any dimension, whatever it may be. So contiguous memory location will be there, will be found. Contiguous means continuous memory location will be there. Okay. So it remembers the memory address of first one. Obviously, it will get using some formulas inside your compiler. It will do that. So JVM is going to store in this order. Means contiguous memory location only. Continuous means sequential. Whether it may be 1D or 2D or any dimension, it will store like this only. Okay. Now, how to declare a two-dimensional array? I have told you earlier how to initialize. Now, how to declare
Initialize.
that? How to declare that? See, int AR. Hold,
AR,
wait just a minute. I will make it bold. Int AR. Size is mandatory whenever you are going with declaration. Wait. Int this, and the other one is this. AR. Int AR. See here what to write. New. Yesterday I am discussing
new
about this now.
int of
Int. Now here you have to mention the number of rows
two
and number of
brackets.
columns. The maximum capacity you can go. Otherwise I am writing R. It depends upon the value which you are typing from keyboard. And the other one is columns. C. That's it. This is the way to declare. So immediately as many rows and as many columns you are taking, sequentially the memory will be allocated like that. The slots will be created based on this R and C, which you are going to provide through keyboard. Okay, that's how things will
Okay,
happen.
sir.
Now we will do one small application on that. Strings, new class 2D array. Fine. Array 2D is the class name which I am taking. Fine. Okay, fine. Now see. Let's delete this also. Let us delete this. Now, I want to initialize array. Int AR
AR,
is and 4 is the other one. Wait, 4 right, is equal to. Through keyboard you try. Okay, that is your work. Okay, through keyboard you type,
Okay, sir. Okay,
you
sir.
try, because you have to accept R and C, rows and columns from keyboard, you know that. Okay, and then buffer reader BR, that statement you can write. You can parse R and C values from keyboard. Int R is equal to, integer dot parse int, that you can write. Similarly for columns also you can write. Once it is done, then what is the next step? You have to accept the elements from keyboard now.
Elements.
Take for
Yes,
loop.
sir.
Yesterday we have done in a similar way. You can accept elements. For inside for
so
another for. Now also we are doing a similar one, but we are not accepting from keyboard. That is the only difference. New AR, new AR. Wait. We have to initialize now. I'm discussing about initialization. Yes. So same. Better I copy and paste. We have done just now in Word document. Yes, here it is. Yes, copy. Yes. Paste. Done. Initialization is done. Array initialization is done. Now I want to display the same array on the system. How to display? Before that, the accepted, I mean the, I will write one for loop. Otherwise, directly I will write one for loop. For int I is equal to 0, comma I is less than 3 na? Yes, 3 semicolon
Yes, sir.
I plus plus, and then inside that another for loop is required now. How to display in a matrix notation? I want to display that in a matrix notation. See, for within bracket int j is equal to 0, same for loop, no change. J is less than what is that? 3, j plus plus.
3.
Fine. Inside that we have to display now. Wait.
System.
Display, yeah. System. Inside that, how to display? The array name is AR na?
AR.
AR of I by J. One is I, the other one is J. After that,
J.
plus concatenation operator, some tab space between the elements. You need tab space now. That also I am providing.
Yes, sir.
Some tab space between the elements. Done. Even these braces are not required because only one statement is there inside
Yes, sir.
this.
Only one
Yeah,
statement.
that's why even
Yeah.
the braces are not at all required. Unnecessarily, we are putting those braces. Now, see. So only one statement is there. So once the loop is justified, then once you come out, then you have to do like this again. You should be careful here. An empty SOPL statement I am writing. Why I will discuss. Wait for a while. See, first of all, we should be careful with these braces. How many I have closed? This is for pair. For pair is done. And then couple of mistakes it is showing. Why?
Yes, sir.
Semicolon. I missed semicolon. I missed semicolon is
Semicolon.
one. And then what else? What else?
Same.
What is the other mistake? Here, one more it is showing. What is that? Let me check. It's not showing. Yeah, now showing. 4, delete this token. 4, 3. What is the problem with 4 and 3? Oh, size is not required here because you are initializing. While initializing, size is not. I mean, 3 by 3 you are taking. Actually, 3 by 3 you are taking. If you do like this, what will happen? It is showing error. So you should not you should not do with the tokens. Tokens means any small portion can be called as tokens. You leave this empty like this. Okay, nothing will happen.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
see, there is no problem. Let me get proper output, then I will start explaining this program. Wait. Yes, but this is not the shape, desired shape. See, all the elements are displaying one after another. So for loop is not properly designed. Required anyways. Inside for somewhere I went wrong. That for is better. I go with all the
Sir,
for loops.
the
Yeah. Just a minute.
system.out.println should be given for INO, sir.
No. Last one is empty. That is sure. That is for sure.
Ah.
Wait. How many closings are there? One. This pair is of inner for loop is over. Outer for loop. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now it should. Now we should get at least. Then I will try for no. Still it is displaying like this only. Because wait. What I have done here? System.out.print. That is the problem. Brace is not the issue. What you know? See, these kind of programs, nothing but just like Operation Success Patient Died. Yeah, that is the one little step which you have to take. Now you'll get C. Now you'll get correct output C. Got it? Fine. Got it or not?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
See, you understood, I think. If I go with the
Yes, sir,
LN,
yes.
what is going to happen? It is taking next line immediately.
Next line.
We have
Next line.
operated well, but the result is not there because little unnecessary thing we have done here, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's
Yes,
there.
sir.
Yeah, that's it. So, but brace is not at all an issue here. I will remove this brace, unnecessary braces, these two, because only one statement is there inside, isn't it? Whether you write or doesn't
Yes,
write,
sir.
it makes no difference. Same output whatsoever. That's it. That's it. But if I remove this brace, what will happen? What will happen? See. That is a problem. Understood? That is because inside the outer for loop,
Yeah.
inner for loop is
Yes, sir.
present. That's why you should be careful. But inner for loop brace is not required because you have to believe that only one
Only one
statement is
statement.
there inside the inner for loop. That's it. Now let us start understanding this program. Automatically JVM is going to allocate memory for all these elements. How it is allocated, I told. Sequentially or matrix notation?
Sequential.
Sequentially means contiguous memory blocks it will create. Who will create? JVM will create. Okay. So
JVM.
once done, then see. So memory location is there. Every element will be there in the memory slot, being done by JVM. That too in contiguous way. Okay. Now see.
Yes, sir.
I is equal to 0. True or false? Tell me. True. So
I less than 3, 2. Yes, sir.
see, generally, I can tell you one thing. Generally, in one-dimensional array, you will get only one for loop. Not all the times. Majority cases, in one-dimensional array, you will get one for loop. In multi-dimensional arrays, in two dimension, you will get two for loops. Majority cases, it will be like that. Not all the time, 90%.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
see, I is equal to 0. True, na? Condition is satisfied now.
Yes,
0
sir.
is less than 3. So you can get inside. Don't forget I is 0. Current value of I is 0. J is also 0 now. It is also true. So you are going to display. So AR of 0 by 0. What is there in 0 by 0 position? I have drawn tables also and shown in Word document.
Uh,
1 is present.
yes, sir.
One.
Present na?
One.
So 1 is displayed. And then some tab space is there, no? See, let me
Yes.
Yes, sir.
highlight this. Wait. Then you can see the output also clearly. Yeah. After one tab space is there, na? Why? How I got tab space?
Okay. Okay.
Like this. If I don't give this,
Okay.
you can understand. This will come this side. Second column will come
Yes.
attached with first column. Third will be attached to second column. It is not
Some
correct
code.
now. So I have given some space like that by using tab space. Escape character we have used wisely. And one more important step is don't go with println. If you go with println, what is going to happen? Next element 8
We'll go to next
printed
line.
in the next line. That you have to stop. By how? Another method is there na print. Go with print.
Print.
Sequentially, they are displayed sequentially as far as first row is concerned, isn't it? Now J is incremented. See, don't take the outer loop because just like a small example, I can tell you. Your call is outer gate will be there, inner gate will be there. Is it not? Your
Yes, sir.
class door will be there, but outer gate will be there. So once you get inside your class, so you are not going to outer gate again. As many periods are there, you are in the inner gate only. Is it not? So how many times 3 periods are there, for example, here? Because J starts from 0, next time it will be 1. Don't go outside. Still I is 0 only. Don't forget. So I is 0, J is 1 in the next iteration. 0 by 1 na? Able to
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Huh? Getting I is 0 only. Don't change I value. I am telling you, you are inside this for loop. I am highlighting, otherwise see. You are only inside this portion. So the current value of J is what? Tell me. Incremented by 1 na? I J plus
Yes,
plus
sir.
is there na?
Increment
So J is
J
1.
plus plus.
But what is I? What is I? Still 0 or
I
not?
remains zero.
So
Zero. Yes,
0
sir.
by 1. 0 by 1, what is there? Tell me. 8 is there
Zero
or
by one
not?
eight.
8 will be
Yes,
displayed.
sir.
Then again tab space. Then J will become 2. Previous
Two.
J is
Zero
1.
by
Now 2.
nine.
2 is
Uh,
true. Again get inside. So 0 by 2. I is 0 only. Don't increment that. I is
change.
0 only. 0 by 2. 0 by 2 what is there?
Nine.
9. 9 will be displayed. And again tab space. But there is no chance for further J. J will become 3. 3 is less than 3. True or false? 3 is less than
False.
3. False. So it
False.
False.
fails.
False.
Inner loop is failing. Means your classes are over. Then you can go to outside gate and increment the outside gate or not.
Yes, sir.
What is the outer one? I. I is getting incremented by one
I.
unit. I takes one means second day. Second day you came to college again. Day number 2. I is days. J is inside classes. You consider like that. You can understand. J is 1 now. Previously 0 now. Now is 1. 1 is true or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now again you got inside. Don't forget I is 1 only. But J revolves how many times? Second day also 3 periods are there.
Uh,
So 3 times it will
yes,
revolve.
sir.
Means
Zero one. Yeah.
with the combination of 1 by 0, 1 by 1, 1 by 2.
One.
Second row
One
will be
by two.
printed. Second row will be printed. See, before going to second row, one more thing is there. You missed that. What is that? I missed that. What is that? So
Print. Okay. Okay.
first
Print the
row,
first
first,
step.
first row is done. Huh? First row is done. You know, J takes the values like 0, 1, 2. Huh? Then what
Yes,
is going to
sir.
happen? Next line, next line. Is it not? Next line. Cursor will be here. Now I increments. And again, I increments means I will be 1. And J again starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. So with a combination of I value 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. All the elements are displayed. Displayed or not? Second row.
Yes.
Then what will happen after printing second row? What will happen? Don't go to for loop. What is there? Next line.
First, print the shape. Print the
Next
values.
line. Next line. Go to next line. Once you go to
Go
next
to
line,
next line.
again I will increment to 3. Sorry, 2. 2 and again J starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. 2 by 0, 2 by 0, 2 by 1, 2 by 2. And then again next line, but no chance for I. I already has taken 2 also. Isn't it? Over now. Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear? Shall I leave this program?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's how it is executed. So
Sir,
same
how to
program.
take it in scanf, sir?
Scanf
I mean, sorry, how to take it as input?
From system, sir. From
from
system, from
keyboard.
Like,
keyboard.
What is there?
yes,
What is there?
sir.
Same for loop will come. What I am telling, don't initialize. I'm telling the code here itself. You write IO package. That is your homework. Import
Yes, sir.
java.io.star. You write here. Okay. Then
Okay, sir.
here throws IO exception or exception you can go. Then don't
Yes, sir.
initialize. Don't initialize. Just to declare. Okay. While declaring size is mandatory. I told na. Not like this. How to declare, Marchikan?
Sir,
How to declare an array? A two-dimensional array. I have shown
sir,
you
sir.
in Word. Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir. ARR, two brackets, and then we have to declare it.
That statement, that lengthy statement. See, I will write here otherwise. See, this is the comment which you have to. This is the one which you have to use. This is the statement which you have to use. Like what is it? Int AR. Okay, is equal to int new int here R, and the other one is C, rows and columns. Rows and columns, how to give? Through keyboard. You take inside main method, you take int R is equal to integer dot parseInt br dot readline. Next, int C is equal to integer dot
Sir,
parseInt. Yeah, yes.
I have actually written code for accepting from keyboard, sir, but I'm getting exception in thread error, sir.
Shall I write? Shall I write for that? You want that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I will do that also. Wait.
No, so we'll try, so we'll try
Yeah,
then.
that is better option.
I've
If you
tried, sir.
try,
I'm getting an
yeah, that
error,
is
sir.
better.
Array
You
throws
share,
exception
you
better.
share the screen.
Array,
Share the screen. You share the screen. I will
yes,
check. Otherwise,
yes,
shall I stop sharing? You can share the screen. Otherwise, now you are
okay,
not
sir.
having. I stopped sharing. You pass your yeah, loading. It is loading. Yes.
Sir, is it visible?
No, no, still not, still loading, I think. It is loading. Yeah, now it came, now it came. So what is that? Let me check the program. Again, disappeared all of a sudden. It came and disappeared.
Screen
Some,
change
no.
here.
Array, Ledra, please remove this window.
Previously it came,
Away from
now it is coming. Yeah, fine. So this is the application. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I equals 0. Unnecessarily you have taken 0, 0 for I and j. You leave it like that. Inside for loop. See, in Java, directly inside for loop you can write na int I, like that you
Yes,
can
sir.
write. Okay,
Old
this
habit.
program. You have taken another method. Okay, okay. That's why you have to
Yes,
go
sir.
at the top only. But 0, 0 is not required here. You can declare and
Okay,
leave those variables. The difference between Python and Java is that in Python you cannot leave variable declared like this. nm you cannot do, but in Java you can do. I equals 0, j equals 0. That is not required. I and j are enough. Into nm and nm means rows and columns. You mean that statement? Okay. New int
Okay.
nm. Okay, fine, fine, fine. But nm where you are accepting from keyboard, you have to accept now.
sir.
See.
Yes, sir. I've actually
Okay,
given an
okay.
accept, sir.
Yeah. I can understand. I can see that.
Sir, just a second. I'm not able to. I'll just share the screen again, sir.
Why? I can see.
I'm not able to. I'm not able to monitor those things, sir. Right?
Okay,
Not
okay,
able
fine.
to scroll down.
Okay, fine.
We can do that completely in one method, no, sir. Directly.
Scanner.
Sir, is it
Scanner is
visible,
also
sir?
there. Now it is visible, yeah. It is visible. Very small, but it is visible. Okay. So, okay, we have accepted N from keyboard, M from keyboard. That is okay. Okay. But after this statement, N, after you entered N from keyboard, then you should write that
Yes, sir.
that statement. That int mat is equal to new int is there now. You just cut that statement.
Sir, like if I'm giving mat of here, I'm
You cut that mat int mat, that one statement, that
yes,
single
sir.
statement. You cut and paste it down. You cut that, yeah, paste it down. Yeah, there. Yeah, exactly. Now you know what is now the JVM can understand what is N and what is M now.
Sir, now I'm getting error over here, sir.
Now you again try this. Maybe some more mistakes may be there. I will check anyways.
Yes, sir.
Still getting mistake,
Sir,
huh?
just a
Executed.
second, sir. I'm not able to actually scroll down.
I will do, otherwise what is there? I will do. Shall I do
Okay,
this?
sir.
I
Okay,
will do.
sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Leave
sir.
it. I will do.
Sir, but we didn't try. So we'll try and tell you,
Okay,
sir.
okay. You
We
want to
will
try
try
it?
today.
You want to try this one?
Yes, sir. We want to try.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
try and we'll let
Okay,
you
if you
know.
are unable to get, then tomorrow I will do. What is there?
Yes, sir. We'll
Okay,
let's
sir.
discuss tomorrow, sir. So it's
Okay, fine. I'll go with the next application. That is accepting data from keyboard. So why should we delete all this code? Let me delete only this portion. Let me delete only this portion. And how many braces should be required? Yeah, this is unnecessary. Two openings, two closings. Enough, no? Yeah. Now we will delete the code. See, through command line also you can pass arguments. I will show you this program like this. See, in n is equal to what is the array name? What is the array name here? See, args na.
Yes,
Aaron,
sir.
sir.
It's args na. See, args dot length. Length is a variable. Length is a variable. It's a property. Properties are represented by variables na in Java. So length is a property. So it is going to find the length of, I mean, number of arguments you are passing through keyboard. Okay, fine. How to pass through keyboard I will show you. Wait, let me complete, then you can understand easily. Now let me take one for loop for int I is equal to 0 and then I is less than n I plus same for loop I have drawn. Now inside that, I want to display the arguments. Sys system.out.print. What are those arguments? Na? args of I exactly. Yes, done. Program done. Let me execute. Then I will explain this. Just a second. No, that not like this. See, for example, if I run like this, nothing will come. Wait. Because wait, where I went wrong. No, nothing is displayed now. Because see these kind of programs here, click run. Okay, and then can you see this run configurations? You click on that, one window will come. Can you see? Can you see the window?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
In that,
Yes, sir.
click on arguments. Arguments tab is there, na? You click on arguments tab. Now you give some arguments, program arguments. You
Yes,
can
sir.
type some arguments here like Lishan I am giving, and I am giving Sai, and I am also giving Viranchi. Three of you, I am giving your arguments, program arguments. So those are the program arguments. Okay, run. Now see, you got it? Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yeah, that is the way. If you are working this program in command prompt, it is a little bit different. I will show you how to execute. Normal command prompt you do in colleges now.
Yeah.
In colleges, how to do this program means normally how do you compile your program? Java C space File name is array2d, na? Some other name
Array,
is,
yeah.
don't worry, array2d,
Class name.
array2d dot Java. To
Java.
compile your program like this, huh? How do you execute your program? Who will execute? JVM will execute. That's why you
Java.
are
Yes,
Java
sir.
means JVM only. See, first command is Java C. Java C means compiler name. Is it not? Who will execute? Who will compile? Who will compile your program? Compiler only, na? Compiler is going to compile your program, na? Compiler is represented by Java C.
Yes.
Now, who will execute your program?
Yes, sir. Yes.
JVM will execute. JVM will be
JVM.
represented by Java. Java
Java.
space. Java space. What is the file
File
name?
name.
Array.
Array2D.
Now don't hit enter key. Give some space and write your names like that. Like that you have to give. Again space. And
Okay.
again
Okay.
space like this. This is the way. And of course, once you get a job, you never use command prompt. Na? You are going to use Eclipse only. That's why you can forget this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can forget from here onwards directly. In interview also you can tell I used Eclipse. I can click run and I can give some command line arguments from run configurations. There you can give some. There one arguments tab is there. There you
Arguments.
can give. See, I am not giving any arguments this time. Zero arguments are there. What to run? See what to run? Nothing. Is there any output?
Nothing.
Nothing is there. Yeah. And but I want to
Nothing, sir.
display number of arguments. How to display? See here. See what I am doing. See. Now, how many arguments are there? It will be calculated by n. N is going to calculate
N.
number of arguments. Number of args passed from keyboard. From keyboard is equal to after that concatenation operator, and you have to write concatenation operator n is the number of arguments now.
Plus N.
Now see I'm not giving any arguments, directly I'm running this code. What is going to happen? See, you'll get 0 or not? Yes.
Yes,
Number of
sir.
arguments passed from keyboard is equal to, I never use it now. So otherwise, even if you are using this, see, I'm not giving any arguments. I'm not touching this. I'm clicking this run. See, what is the output? Number of arguments passed from keyboard is equal to 0.
You.
Because I have not typed any argument from keyboard. Is it not? So this is the way to provide arguments from keyboard.
Yeah.
So how to provide? See, let us study the program. You understood this one? The meaning of this?
Args. Yes, sir.
Int n is
Args
equal
dot
to
length, yeah.
args. So what is the, see, args, you need not give args every time. You can give any name here. ASDF also will work. Is it not? You can write ASDF also here. Any name, anything you can write. You can write any word you can write. Word, I am writing word. What is there? So you have to give here word. The
Word
array
dot
name,
length.
is it array name or not? How to declare
Yes,
array? I
sir.
told now already. That's why after command line, after arrays concept, I am discussing this. So word is the name of the array.
Okay, sir.
New word.
Word dot length. Word dot length. So word dot length is going to calculate. So if you don't provide any arguments, it will be 0. Otherwise, you can provide some arguments. So n is an integer or not? See, n is an integer. It will find a number of arguments. So how to find number of arguments? What is the technique? Length. Length is a static length is a variable. Length is a variable. Using that length variable, you can find number of, it's a non-static variable. Sorry. Length is a non-static variable.